Hello and welcome to Power BI DAX tutorial. Today we are going to cover DAX percentages. Very important, easy but very important function that you will be, I can almost guarantee you, in every report. So let's dive right into it. First, let me show you the data that we are going to be using. Very simple, straightforward. We have countries and number of cases. Since COVID-19 is hard these days, so I thought to use those numbers. So I just picked up top 10 countries in the world right here, and in one field we have name of the countries, in another one we have number of cases. Very straight, no big deal, you can right here, right? So we are going to build this percentage in 3 different steps so you can understand better. So first one is right here, very simple bar chart. We have countries, x-axis, as well as we have number of cases. How did we get number of cases? It's basically simple, straightforward DAX formula, sum, and the table name and the field name, cases. Okay, great. That gives me what I have right here in Excel, countries and number of cases. Total number of cases are over 5 million. Great. So user selects a country from here. Let's say Brazil. I get number of cases. So that is working very well for me. Let's go back to select all. All right. Now, step 2 is let's find out percentages by country, which is basically second sheet right here. And it's simply what I'm doing is taking this number by each country and dividing by total number. As you can see, B2 divided by B12 all the way down. Great. Each country 39.31 from USA all the way to Iran for 3 has 3.46. If you add these up, that's 100%. I go back to my Power BI report. It's working great. 39.31, 18, and all that, right? 3.46. Now, how did I found this percentages? It's simple, divide formula. If I go right here, it's dividing 2 fields, right? This, and it's calculating, it's picking up table number of cases, right? The sum of cases, and divided by all selected number of cases in this table. It's fine, because right now if you look at it, that's the number is presenting it to me. Great. Now what happens is, look at this. User is gonna come here and say, okay, fine. I'm gonna go ahead and just see, okay, what is the percentage? Just show me Chile, right? Look at it, Chile is 3.99. I'm gonna go ahead and click Chile. Now all of a sudden it jumps to 100%. What it's doing is basically is not dividing the number of cases of Chile by the total number, which is right here over 5 million, almost 6 million. So it is basically just looking at this number and it's giving you data as a percentage is 100%, because our DAX formula does not take into account 6 million at this point, almost 6 million. So what do we do? It's a very simple fix. Just pay attention to right here. It's all selected, right? I'm going to create another measure and just take the selected out. It's all. Okay, so let's come right down here, this third one. And if you look at it, if I pick up Chile, it's going to give me only 3.99%, because now it's taking in the account for that 5.9 million cases. It's dividing the number of cases in Chile by that number. And same thing with Brazil, Italy, so on and so forth. So now, if I go back, this gives me a better understanding of my data rather than seeing 100% if I select one country. So now I can move and pick one country, and the percentages do not change. They stay the same. So hopefully you like the video and the contents. If you do, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thank you for watching.